we got a killer deal. Yeah, it's back, guys, from the holidays. Well, you guys got a second chance to get this deal. This is $249 for the rear handle and the top handle. Guys, don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube works the platform. My subscribers and likes. Big shout out to Sam Campbell for at the Deal Team 6 Facebook group for posting this deal. Alright, so this is what it is. So this is the 18 volt times 2 5 amp hour 36 volt brushless rear handle 7 1/4 circular saw, $249, right? Alright, so we got $249. You come down here to the free tool with purchase. You get to select from, it's not the batteries. So remember last year we used to get 2 more batteries. Well, now this year, or this time, you're going to get to select the tool. So you get to select a Makita 18 volts. You can even hack this either or, guys. You're gonna get a killer deal no matter which way you go to, which way you get. Even if you keep both of the tools, it's just a killer deal. You got the 18 volt XT cordless Bluetooth job site speaker, $129. Got the 18 volt LXT 1/2 inch brushless cordless hammer driver drill, $129. You got the 18 volt LXT brushless 1/4 inch cordless impact driver. It is brushless, by the way. Or you can select the 18 volt jigsaw. Wow, $169. So definitely the jigsaw is the way to go on that one. Jigsaw is the way to go. 18 volt lithium cordless reciprocating saw, $129. Or you can get the variable speed oscillating multi-tool, $129. Guys, the jigsaw is the one to go, the one to hack, or whatever you want to do. This is crazy. Wow. Alright, guys. So $100, you're gonna get this jigsaw for $100 down from $169. Killer deal on that one. But check this out. It's gonna drop down to $148. That's a lot. That's a lot of discount there. So guys, let's look at the cart here. Make sure everything's correct. Yeah, we did the rigid, the one before that. So that's a killer deal on this one too for $122 on the rigid. Yeah, make sure you guys jump on that if you guys are gonna jump on it or watch my videos. Guys, that's killer deal. And same thing with this one. You are eligible to choose the sidewinder or the rear handle, either or. This is the side top or the sidewinder. Same thing, 36 volt. I do have this thing. This thing is a beast, powerful. The rear handle, it's even better because it's well balanced. Same thing with this one. You get to select any of these. Guys, killer deal. Go get them. I'll leave the link down below in the description section of this video. Big shout out to Sam at Deal Team 6 Facebook group. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.